Happening today, it is the Great ShakeOut earthquake drill starting at 10:17 this morning. People will practice earthquake safety drills at work, school, and home. To participate, you can drop, cover, and hold for 60 seconds. Also a great opportunity to go over your evacuation plan. Emergency management officials add that it is important to have an earthquake preparedness kit that's ready to go just in case. And Brian, certainly a good idea to go over that kit and make sure everything that you have is